Hi, my name is Lane. I'm an application specialist at Canon Production Printing, and today I'm going to show you some of the amazing things you can do with the new Arizona 2300 series with FLXflow technology. This latest addition to the Arizona flatbed printer family doesn't just hold media in place, but also offers the option of floating difficult-to-handle substrates for even easier positioning. The patented and uniquely intelligent Arizona FLXflow technology is now available for mid to high volume operations. This includes a wide range of new and advanced functionality, such as additional quality modes and features to improve workflow integration, all combining to help you achieve greater productivity and lift your large format graphics business further. Whether it's for retail graphics, interior decor, packaging, or industrial application, the Arizona 2300 FLXflow can handle an extensive array of rigid and flexible media, including irregular shaped substrates, with greater freedom and productivity than ever before, thanks to the effortless positioning of both heavy and delicate media. Additional innovations, including UV LED curing, power-efficient Arizona FLXflow technology, and third-generation Variadot technology, further enhance the credentials of this robust and durable workhorse. Offering a unique patented method to not only hold, but also to float the media. Arizona FLXflow technology provides three important functionalities: hold, float, and instant switch, enabling operators to move heavy and irregular shaped media around the table with greater ease and accuracy. The patented airflow technique launched in the original Arizona Flow technology produces the hold functionality that keeps the media on the table in place. It utilizes automated measurement and adjustment of the airflow levels, resulting in firm, flexible, and accurate media positioning with far less masking. The new float functionality is an optional feature that pushes air from the table upwards to create an air cushion. This enables effortless positioning of challenging substrates and reduces the risk of media damage and waste. The adjustable airflow provides the ability to float the media without it drifting out of position, which enables the operator to smoothly position several pieces of media at the same time. The instant switch functionality allows the operator to easily change from hold to float by using the foot pedals for simple operation of the printer, making it easy to quickly remove the media from the table. The new advanced image layout controls enable operators to make last-minute adjustments at the printer. Features such as snap and align image to media, auto trimming, batching of complex jobs, step and repeat, mirroring, layer order, and reassignment of print modes. The Arizona 2300 FLXflow exemplifies speed and productivity and now offers even more choice in quality to speed ratios. Classic and Plus print modes help optimize the balance between print quality and production time. The Arizona FLXflow delivers sharp, high-key prints up to 95 square meters per hour or 1,023 square feet per hour, and high-density prints up to 64 square meters per hour or 691 square feet per hour. Our FLXflow printers have standard left and right pneumatic registration pins, enabling functional double-sided work and turn workflow, or 2, 4, or 6 boards on the table. The new accounting interface means you can retrieve valuable data about ink consumption and production time for further processing in accounting packages such as Onyx Hub or OneVision. The print market demands increasingly shorter delivery times and higher quality expectations, and this requires elevated levels of productivity, often with fewer operators. Achieving this successfully goes beyond having excellent printer hardware. It requires an integrated workflow automation that can manage complex tasks using an open interface and user-friendly software solutions. Thanks to the optional Arizona Automation interface, it is now also possible to integrate third-party automated media handling into your production workflow, providing you the option of continuous automatic loading and unloading of media and automated finishing for 24/7 printing. 2 independent vacuum systems on the XTF models enable ping-pong printing, the simultaneous printing, loading and unloading of media for a continuous, smooth and efficient workflow. The Arizona produces durable prints without the need for additional finishing steps, such as lamination, coatings or spray varnishing, resulting in higher production efficiency and less wastage. The Arizona 2300 Flexflow uses the award-winning third-generation Variadot printing technology, featured on all Arizona printers. This provides near photorealistic print quality for reliable printing in even the fastest production modes. Variadot printing technology uses multiple droplet sizes in every print. The right drop volume is used for each specific image feature. Small drops for fine detail, mid-sized drops for color transitions, and large drops for areas of heavy color saturation. The latest release of Prisma Elevate XL doubles the maximum printing height to 4 mm, about 0.157 inches, to help you create standout tactile artwork for elevated print applications that will enhance and expand your product offering. Explore new applications such as high-value, textured long-term signage, product decoration, awards, decor materials, and package prototyping, as well as applications for the visually impaired. Prisma Elevate now builds the height with 20% fewer layers compared to Touchstone. Do you have a collection of offcuts, various sizes and oddly shaped media? Not a problem for the Arizona FLXflow table. Heavy, smooth, or even pre-cut media? Not a problem for the Arizona FLXflow table. Even unusual media or objects, such as canvas, wood, tiles, or glass? Not a problem for the Arizona FLXflow table. Even print large images tiled over multiple boards. Bring it on. The Arizona 2300 series stands out thanks to its wide-ranging application possibilities. Arizona FlexFlow technology not only saves time with faster transitions between applications and shorter setup times between jobs, it also offers more possibilities. Edge-to-edge or full bleed printing could be achieved with ease for media or objects up to 1.25 by 2.5 meters or 49.2 by 98.4 inches with the GTF models, and 2.5 by 3.08 meters or 98.4 by 121.3 inches with the XTF models. Print on media up to 50.8 millimeters or 2 inches thick. Choose the Arizona 2300 FlexFlow model that fits your needs. You can choose 4 colors CMYK with the basic Arizona 2340 or the Arizona 2360 by adding 2 channels of our brightest white ink or even a channel of varnish. The Arizona 2380 offers the widest range of applications and the best photo quality and fine art prints with 8 channels, including the light cyan and light magenta. Choose between a matte or gloss ink set to best fit your application needs. With more than 8,000 installations worldwide since its launch in 2007, the Arizona series has earned a reputation as a robust and reliable workhorse that can be depended upon. Manufactured in Germany, the Arizona 2300 FLEXflow, like all Arizona flatbed printers, is built on a robust steel frame. Weighing up to 2,140 kilograms, about 4,718 pounds, these low-maintenance devices are designed to last and incorporate many features that enhance uptime over many years of intensive use. Prisma Service offers a central knowledge platform that enables faster, more efficient, and more effective servicing support to optimize uptime and performance by integrating a wide range of Canon service tools in one unified digital platform that takes service to the next level. Focusing on proactive prevention and maintenance planning, together with rapid remote and on-site intervention, Prisma Service offers a single point of entry for all service activities. In addition, the ProCare after-sales service program offers predictable cost for service, maintenance, spare parts, and ensures fast response times. With remote support providing diagnostic information and preventive maintenance, avoiding the loss of production and safeguarding maximum uptime. Arizona flatbed printers are engineered to provide many years of reliable productivity and have been designed for remanufacture and reuse. This reduces their carbon footprint by extending their useful life even beyond the original purchaser. In addition, less waste, lower energy consumption, safe inks, and lower ink consumption further contribute to the sustainability credentials of the Arizona 2300 FLEXflow. For example, the instant-on operation means there's virtually no warming up period. Your Arizona is ready when you are. Moreover, operating with a standard voltage power supply reduces both energy consumption and costs. There are also no power peaks during operation. The Arizona LED UV curing means lower energy consumption and longer lamp life. Utilizing tiny 6 to 30 picoliter drops, the high productivity of the Arizona FLEXflow comes with up to 50% lower ink consumption versus fixed dot 6-color printers. This is thanks to the third-generation Variadot printing technology, which uses less than 8 milliliters per square meter or 0.74 milliliters per square foot on average, including maintenance. Our proprietary UL GreenGuard Gold certified inks ensure prints are safe for use in sensitive environments such as hospitals, schools, and other public places. They are also mineral oil free and vegan. The Arizona 2300 FLEXflow will help you explore new ways to distinguish your offering from your competition and so open up new business opportunities. Lift your business with the Arizona 2300 FLEXflow.